Hey, welcome to the website. It's Eric Roberts from Worship the King, Worship Band Builder, and Play and Sing TV. And right now, I'm going to show you on the website how to access your songs, the videos for all of the songbooks that we have. So first of all, this is Worship the King. I'm going to show you the Play and Sing. So if you go to worshiptheking.com/play and sing, and that is where you're going to find all of our songbooks right here. You click on those, you can buy them on Amazon, and likely if you're looking at this video, you've already bought a songbook and you're looking for the videos. And I've been working really hard with my team to get the videos into these amazing courses. So like, for example, you'll go to this list right here on this page to our courses. These are free. All you got to do is sign up for the course and you'll be able to get into alphabetical order, okay, of all of the songs. So for example, Blessed Be Your Name, click on Blessed Be Your Name, and here's a video of me looking at you, and I'm gonna play Blessed Be Your Name, very slow, very simple. Now these are all, at this current time, they're all included free. All you have to do is when you go to the website, and you click on Browse Courses to find these from zero. You can find them right here on Play and Sing Sessions for free members. So you just go down here and pick whichever one you want to, basically any of them, because when you join on this one, see it says it's closed, take this course, you'll say I'll take the course, and it is free. It's $0 a year. Just go through, sign up. Once you sign up for that course, it's completely free. It will actually enroll you brilliantly in all of the other Play and Sing courses. So you'll have, then you'll be able to go to My Courses. Once you go to the member area, you go to My Courses and you'll be able to see that you're enrolled in whatever courses you're enrolled in. These are all different courses, okay? So if you want to go beyond that, and if you think, I want the lessons, I want to dive in, I want to get more of the lessons of what's going on, you can check out the Gold Song Pass. Okay, so these are Gold Song Sessions down here. You can click on the Gold Song Sessions. These are basically all of the songs broken down really in 5 levels. So there's 5 learning levels right now. Very beginning, just 3 chords, all the way to finger picking, syncopation, all that stuff. And so like if you look at a song like this, Because He Lives with Matt Maher, you'll be able to see all of these different videos going down into all these very complicated things. I have the charts here for you, and I do handwritten lessons. This is all included in the actual membership. So if you want to join the membership, it's $9.99 a month. Go to worshiptheking.com/join, and you'll be able to get all of those new Gold Song Sessions along with the free Play and Sing. God bless you guys. If you want a song done, if you want a request, as we're doing every day, new song things, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel right here if you're watching on YouTube. If not, click on the YouTube button, go over there, subscribe, because we got, at this time, we have over like 400 videos on YouTube. So all of these are on there. If you don't find what you're looking for, send me an email or send me a chat. God bless you guys. I am glad you're here today.